Hello, this is Greg. This is a eBay sales video. I have a Elenco precision multimeter that has lost its precision because it doesn't work. So I'm just selling this as it doesn't work. I've put batteries in it and get nothing out of it at all. This is move this out of the way. This is kind of beyond my expertise, so if someone out there wants to try to get this back into service, I did check the fuse and it's good. Comes with a second fuse. I tried to adjust this dial. It doesn't tell. Oh, look at that! It moves to my finger. But so it's not. It's free, but no adjust. The probes. They're not. They're not what I'm used to. I'm used to the newer type of stuff, but they're in good shape. Little warranty card that was never filled out. I'll bet they wish they'd done that. And the box, which has a few stains on it, but is still functional. Has no information on the outside of any kind. So, like I said, this is going to be for sale on eBay for spares or repairs, or however you want to word that. So, thank you for watching. Thank you even more for buying. You have a great day.